The National Humanitarian Coordination Technical Working Group is working on finalizing 3 policy documents that will enhance humanitarian operations in Nigeria. At the 6th meeting convened by the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, humanitarian actors were urged to continue to work for sustainable peace in Nigeria. Moyo Thomas has details.
Humanitarian response coordination has been negatively impacted by inadequate or total absence of policy documents in Nigeria. With about 54 international non-governmental organizations in the country and hundreds of local NGOs rendering different kinds of assistance to the 3 most affected states in the Northeast, the need for a policy document to guide them in their operations remains imperative. This prompted the creation of the National Humanitarian Coordination Technical Working Group in 2019 to provide operational strategies in all aspects of humanitarian response in line with the mandate of the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs. This meeting is the 6th of the Technical Working Group deliberating on the overview of the Zero Draft National Cash and Voucher Assistance Policy, overview of the Zero Draft National Action Plan for the National IDP Policy, overview of the Zero Draft National Humanitarian Development Peace Plan.
NHCTWG is envisioned to provide adequate guidelines on how humanitarian peace and development actors can work together more effectively to meet vulnerable people's needs.
And ensuring that IDPs have access to basic services, including healthcare, education, protection, and we welcome how this action plan aligns with international standards and how consultative the process has been in the development of the policy and the action plan so far.
And the bulk of the interventions focuses on emergency assistance, but at the same time aims to lift people out of vulnerable situations and reduce humanitarian needs. This is done by increasing focus on sustainable solutions for displacement.
The Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs says it intends to transmit the document to the Federal Executive Council for ratification before the end of the current administration, so as to give legitimacy to and to help in easing humanitarian operations in Nigeria. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.